Hi guys, this is JR and mayong gabi sa tanan. Today is October 29 and tomorrow will be the Barangay and Sangguniang Sangguniang Kabataang election. So time is 6:52 PM and yeah, it's been a while. It's almost 3 months since the last time nga nag-record ko because there are a lot of things nga nahitabo no sa akong life lately. Nag-resign ko sa Davao State College as a college faculty, and then I transferred to Spamast and I'm currently residing na karon sa Malita, Barangay Lakaron, and wala ko naka-record, gidala na ako kung webcam, gidala na ako kung mic, gidala na ako ang lights, but wala ko naka-try og record no. And by the way, if you noticed, I'm holding out my mic because the locking nut kay nawala. Kay I don't know asan ako nabutang. So there were a lot of things nga nag-adjust ko from the setup nga nako dito, boarding house, the new work, new people, and also my laptop nga ako ang ginagamit, which is Core i5 nga 5th gen, medyo daan-daan na jud siya no. That laptop was with me way back 2017 and dili jud siya ideal for editing videos and audio. I also have a little bit of busy schedule, although na may mga times nga na vacant, but I just decided nga dili sa ko mag-record jud. And of course, for the boarding house pod, dili siya conducive for recording kay dikit-dikit man siya. Kung magstorya ko, madungod yun siya sa pikas nga room no, medyo ulaw siya kaya medyo makadistorbo ta, especially kay gabi ilang man jud ko vacant, so tingtulog sa mga tao and I don't want to disturb anything. And by the way, if you notice, nagpalong tagsuga no, I saw this Facebook or sa TikTok wherein nagsuggest tong streamer nga nindot daw nga mamalong og suga. Kay kung mag-on manggod tag suga daw, there's a chance nga ang suga is nasa latong likod and it will cast a shadow diri ang part manang mangito mato ang naong even if natay suga sa tubangan. So I don't know if sa explanation ana sa mga lighting, but since we have this ring light diri nga gamay and naapod tayo secondary screen that provides light diretso sa kong naong, it would be better da. So I don't know, just do tell me in the comment section kung mas ninat man ning nga setup as compared before nga nagaon taog suga. So for this podcast, I'll be sharing 5 things nga nahitabo sa kuha in the past 3 months. Although ang pag-upload na ako is tingi-tingi lang ako one for every week, so that at least tuloy-tuloy atong content even if kaysa lang tang nag-record. So yeah, the first one would be my new job as a faculty of Southern Philippine Aquatic and Marine, basta Spamast nung kay my Sun Life journey as a financial advisor, the BIR experience, sharing about a new endeavor, and also plans for the future. So for the first one would be my new job. So I currently work in Spamast no. Search na nato be. For those nga wala kabalo, so this is another SUC, State College dito sa Malita no, Davao Occidental. Same setup lang gihapon. I mean, halos same lang man siya nga routine no, dynamics, because I also came from a state college transferring to another state college in Spamast. So more or less it's just the same. Ang different lang would be the environment, the people, and the procedures in place. So Republic of the Philippines, Spamast, Southern Philippines Agribusiness and Marine and Aquatic School of Technology. So ayun, that's Spamast. One of the difference pod is in this new school, I am a contract of service faculty. So dili ko regular, wala ko plantilla position. I am just there on a contractual basis, good for the semester lang. Primarily teaching 4 subjects. So it's my first time to handle 4 preparations, no. Kay in Davao de Oro State College, the most number of subjects nga kung natudloan ata is 3. So it's my first time handling 4, and medyo advanced accounting pa jud siya because accounting information system ang program, as compared in the DOSC it's entrepreneurship. So the only accounting that they have is cost accounting and basic accounting. So I have intermediate accounting 1, financial modeling, strategic cost management, and then business taxation. Although for business taxation, medyo medyo familiar na ko because I'm also teaching income and business tax diri sa Davao de Oro State College as well as in Mongkastpod before. For my students na ako second year, third year, and fourth year, and based on their feedback, okay mo na ako matudlo. Although, yeah, the strictness is really there. Bisan pag-asa ko katong nag-Mongkast ko, DDOSC, even and also in SPAMAS right now, the same strictness and adherence to policies and rules are still being implemented. Kay I do believe niya every student deserves the best quality of education. Ginabalik-balik na ako ni sa ilaha. I'm a product of Ateneo de Davao University for my undergrad and master's degree, and gusto na ako na siya hatagan og justice. And at the same time, that Ateneo education nga nahatag sa kuha by my parents as well as the scholarship given to me by CHED, gusto na ako siya i-extend sa ako ang mga estudyante. I don't want them to think nga abi kay libre ang ilahang pagskwela, abi kay state college sila, magsettle na lang po sila for less. I wanted them to graduate having the competencies of an accountant. Okay, even if they will not be taking the board exam, since that's for accountancy, although they have the option to proceed for another 1 year or 1 or 2 years para maka-board exam. Nevertheless, since they are in an accounting program, I really want them to acquire the competencies of an accountant. Kaya accountant man sila. I kept on reminding them. That is why I have this teaching style and strictness, because natay gusto nga goal nga ma-achieve. So ayun, so dawat-dawat na lang ta guys. Guys, sa mga students na ako nga maminaw, dawat-dawat na lang. Naunahan na lang ninyo that I'm doing this for your own good. Midterm pa man po, no? Kakatapos lang ng midterm, and we still have, pagbalik na to, mag-finals na ta, so there are still a lot of time and opportunity to make bawi sa inyong mga grades. As for the sweldo, the good thing about the contract of service sa SPAMAS is that, sorry, katulak kong ilong. Ginatupong sa management ang sweldo, no, sa mga instructor 1 nga plantilla. So, I'm paid 27,000 karon, although ang plantilla nga SG12 kay 29 naman, but it's still way higher, no, as compared to the offer in some other schools. Kana lang, the problem, the concern lang is during the off semester. Kay I'm just, as a contract of service faculty, I will be teaching for the first semester, the regular first semester and second semester. So na ay 2 months nga off semester. So wala tayong income during those months. Kakatol sa akong ilong eh. Sorry ah. And one of the things nga ganahan ako kaayo is walay admin task. As a contract of service faculty, I am a plain faculty. So mo na siya ang gina-aspire, no? Okay, mo na siya ang gina-aspire sa daghan kayong mga college instructor, and probably sa DepEd gihapon, that they get paid, they teach, they prepare lessons, they give quizzes and exams, and that's it. Pansit, wala na yung mga extracurricular and admin task. However, of course, I don't have to enjoy the benefits that a regular faculty can get. But nevertheless, so far, it's actually a good experience for me to just focus on teaching. So pag mag-ISO sila, okay, pag ISO mo ginyo diha. When there are preparations for intramurals, then prepare mo ginyo diha because I am just there to really teach. Mo na siya. So kana. So na I ISO nga audit last time, I did not participate. I did not involve myself. Okay, kalibutan nung sinahitabo. So, nindot siya sa feeling no that time and kagalas 8, then pag abot og 5 uli na ka. Then wala na kailan una-unaon. And sa pa ba? I think that's it for the Spam Master experience. I'm looking forward for there are some no, na ay sila yung mga ginaingon na possibly I will be given, there will be a plantilla position nga available nga applyan daw nako. So that's one thing ginapaabot pa pud nako. As to unsa nga salary grade, unsa nga position, I still don't know.